Welcome to our channel Medicine Review and Knowledge. Here we provide comprehensive reviews on various medications and healthcare products. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: Cyrux Misoprostol 200 mg. Cyrux Misoprostol is a medication commonly used in obstetrics and gynecology for various purposes. In this video, we will provide an in-depth review of Cyrux Misoprostol 200 mg and its uses. Now, let's explore Cyrux Misoprostol in detail, discussing its composition and how it works. Cyrux Misoprostol contains the active ingredient misoprostol, which is a synthetic prostaglandin E1 analog. It has a variety of medical uses, including induction of labor, management of postpartum hemorrhage, and medical abortion. Misoprostol works by causing uterine contractions and softening the cervix. It helps to initiate and regulate the process of uterine contractions, leading to the expulsion of pregnancy tissue or other desired outcomes in obstetric and gynecological care. It's important to note that Cyrux Misoprostol should only be used under the supervision and guidance of a healthcare professional. They will evaluate your specific condition and provide you with the necessary instructions for its use. Cyrux Misoprostol is typically administered orally, although in certain cases, it may be administered vaginally or buccally. The dosage and administration instructions may vary depending on the specific purpose and the guidance of your healthcare provider. To use Cyrux Misoprostol, you simply take the tablet as directed by your healthcare provider. It's crucial to follow the recommended dosage and administration guidelines to ensure the safe and effective use of the medication. Cyrux Misoprostol has been widely used and studied in various obstetric and gynecological contexts, demonstrating its effectiveness in different clinical scenarios. It has been shown to be particularly effective in medical abortion when used as part of a comprehensive treatment regimen. As for side effects, Cyrux Misoprostol can cause uterine cramping, abdominal pain, and vaginal bleeding. These side effects are typically temporary and expected during the intended use of the medication. However, it's important to discuss any concerns or severe side effects with your healthcare provider. Your healthcare provider will be able to assess your situation and provide appropriate guidance and support throughout the process of using Cyrux Misoprostol. Using Cyrux Misoprostol should always be done under the supervision and guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. They have the expertise to determine the most suitable dosage, administration route, and monitor your response to the medication. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Medicine Review and Knowledge for more informative content. See you next time.